Today I'm going to show you version number 2 of my Notion template, turn courses into finished projects. The number one goal of this template is to help you not only track your courses or track your projects, but actually turn whatever knowledge you're getting from the courses into practical, real-world projects. So how do we do that? There is basically two databases. There is one database for projects and the second database is for the courses. They are linked together and there are some calculations that make you aware of which courses you haven't applied yet in real projects. So for example, over here you can see in the dashboard the application score, which is very bad right now. It's like 18.2%. This just means that a little bit over 80% of the courses have not yet been applied into real-world projects. This is bad. We want to have at least 80% application score, because this means that at least 80% of the courses have been actually turned into real-world projects. Why this is important? It's important because the fact of learning without applying in real-world projects is just giving you the illusion of learning. It's not actual learning and you're not going to benefit from it. This is not only for students. I know that by now a little bit around 50 users have downloaded this template from me. It's free, by the way. I'm not charging anything for it. But I see that some of them are students, maybe because students are more looking for, course trackers and stuff, but this is not only for students. I use this on daily basis, and I'm not student in the generic term of being student in a university or at school, but we are all students if we consider the fact that we just keep learning every day. So yeah, this is the tracker for the projects. This is the tracker for the also the projects that have not yet been applied, and this is the warning that you have when you don't complete a project for certain courses. And yeah, you can click here to add a new course, or you can click here to add a new project. But this is all this template is doing. If you want to get the version 2, even if you didn't get the version 1, you can just take it from the comments below. Thank you.